Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I went thrifting with my friend Olivia and I got a bunch of stuff. So I decided to make a video showing you guys what I got and do kind of like a little thrift haul. And then over the past couple of weeks I've been getting some things in the mail, so I decided to show you guys that as well, which I'll do at the end. So the first half's going to be thrift, and then the other stuff is going to be things that I've been getting in the mail from people/brands. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. Alright, so our first stop yesterday was a thrift store, but not your like typical thrift store where there's clothes and other things that people are just trying to get rid of like that. It was more for craft supplies and like sewing supplies, things like that, which was really cool. And I found some really good stuff. I could have found way more if I didn't kind of restrain myself. But one of the things that I got was this acrylic gold paint. I don't really know what I'm going to use this for, but I'm sure I'll find something. It was $3 and I thought that was a really good deal, so I decided to get that. And then I got this ribbon, which I'm going to use part of it for my hair. I love orange, so I thought that I could easily find something to do with this. This was like 25 cents, so I decided why not get this. And then I got this zipper too, which was 25 cents, and I really did need a zipper for these pair of shorts that I'm going to be making, which I've got kind of pinned together here. This is fabric from a dress that I have. These were actually the sleeves. They had really big bell sleeves, and so I decided to make them into shorts. So I've just got it pinned right now, and they still need to be fitted to me exactly, but now I have a zipper for them and I can finally finish them. You guys will see them on my Instagram probably with the dress, so you guys can see kind of where they came from and how I made those. Next I got two things of glitter, and both of these were $1.50, and I think if you go to Michael's and you want to get glitter like this, it's probably like $5 for one of these little things. And so $1.50, I was like, yes, I need to just take this opportunity and get all this glitter because I know I'm going to use it. And I did already use a little bit last night along with the Mod Podge that I got. This was $2 there, and so that was perfect for the project that I had in mind with this glitter, which I just finished last night. I just need to put the top coat on these. You guys saw these in a video before. They weren't as sparkly, and that's why I redid them with this kind of a glitter. This is chunkier glitter, and before I used a really fine glitter and it just didn't show up as well. So I just have to put the clear coat of Mod Podge on these, and then they are all finished, but they look really, really good. I'm super happy with that. My neighbor just walked by. Hi. Okay, there was a short interlude there because we actually have a house right behind us, and my neighbor came outside and I just felt weird with like me facing her with the window open filming. So anyways, the next place that we went to was a place called Unique Vintage. Both of these locations were in the Chicago area. I forgot what the first place was called, but this place was really awesome, Unique Vintage. And the first thing I got were these shoes, which I'm not sure if they're actually 60s. I think they might be like 90s does 60s or something like that, just because the logo in here, if you guys can see, I don't know if it's actually 60s. I don't know if they're dead stock, and so the inside looks really good still, but I thought that these were really cool. They're actually gold. They kind of look silver on camera, but they did have a silver pair there. I decided to get these ones. And when I first saw them, I was super excited because they were in my size like area, and so I thought they were gonna fit me, and I was like, no way, like they have gold and silver, I'm gonna get both of these shoes for like a really good price. And yeah, sadly not. But these will be up for sale on my Etsy since they don't fit me. I hope they go to somebody else. They're really cool. They've got like bigger rhinestones all along the like opening area, and then they have a really nice short chunky heel, which is cute. The next thing, I actually did get a pair of shoes for me, and we almost left without me finding any, but I really wanted to get some sandals, and not like just sandals. I wanted like heeled sandals for the summer, and I found these really nice white ones, which I thought looked really funky and cool, with just the strap right here and then a big chunky block kind of a heel. I think that I might wear these out tonight. We are going to go see a band play with our friend TJ, and so I don't know if I'm going to wear these or the sparkly ones that I just showed you. Andrew said the sparkly ones, but I'm kind of feeling like I should wear these out tonight. So we will see. The next thing I got was actually for Andrew. It was this record, and it's Tchaikovsky, that's classical music. Andrew really likes his work, so I decided that this would just be like a cool listen. So I got that for him. And then next I got this really cool hat, and actually when I showed Andrew this, he was like, really, another straw hat? But like, they're all different. They each have their own purpose. And this one's got a cool little, let me just like zoom you guys in really quick. Okay, so this one's got like cool flowers and like this thing right here. And I feel like you could wear it in the front or in the back. And it looks cool either way, I don't know. I just thought it was really cute, and I thought this would be perfect for this summer. Okay, so next I got this really cool belt that I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to wear with it, and it's not my typical style, but I thought this was kind of cool and like sassy with the red patent leather and then the faux animal fur right here. Next I have this shirt. I feel like I have a couple shirts really close to this one, but nothing exactly the same. So I got this. I love high necks like this one has, and it's got like the cute little 3 buttons in the back up the neck, and then this cute little cutout too. I just love the balloon puffy sleeves as well, and then how it cinches in at the wrists. I think this is a really cute look. I also got this shirt yesterday, which is kind of like a polyester material, so not very summery or good, but I thought it would be cute kind of tied up like I have it now. Next I got this dress. This room sucks because it's so small, like there's no way to get a full body shot in here, so I'm sorry. I'll probably do a lookbook with all of these items sometime soon-ish, so it doesn't really matter that I'm not trying them all on for you anyways. You'll see that later. But this is just kind of like a cute shift dress, and it's got some pockets down here that zip shut, which is a very big plus. And I thought maybe I could wear this shirt buttoned up more underneath it, and that would be cool. I love the brown and the oranges together. And then the last clothing item that I got was this red velvet dress, which isn't my typical style, again, kind of like the belt, but I just thought it was really pretty and feminine with the lace up here along the, I guess, neckline, and then the ruffles along the bottom were really cute as well. So I can't wait to wear this. It's kind of longer too, like it goes to my knees, and I usually wear mini dresses and skirts that are shorter than that, so this will be kind of cute to wear, I think. Okay, so that's all of the items that I thrifted yesterday. I got a lot, like I said. I'm really excited to wear the things that I did and finish the projects that I have going on with the items that I was able to purchase from that kind of craft thrift store. Okay, so that was the end of the thrifted items. Like I said, I'm going to do a lookbook later, I think, and see how they actually fit and how I'm going to style them. But now I'm going to move on to some packages that I've received in the mail. And the first package that I'm going to share with you guys is one sent to me by my friend Cassidy, who lives in Kansas City, Missouri now. I met her when I lived in Branson, Missouri, and we played softball together, so that's really cool. But now she's got this really cool stitching embroidery company, and she does an amazing job. She did this personalized piece for me, which was super nice, and it turned out like phenomenal. This looks so crazy good, and it's on some vintage fabric, so I love that. It says Crimson and Clover, you know, like me. And then it's got like the classic 60s twiggy eyes and some cool big sunglasses. And then also some little like star things, and I always use stars, so yeah, that's very fitting. So thank you, Cassidy, for this so much. This is amazing. She also sent me a boatload of scarves. Like, she said that she had some vintage scarves that she was just going to send in the package too. And I didn't really realize how many scarves there were until I myself opened the package, and I was really just taken away by how many she sent me, so thank you for all of these as well. Okay, so those are all the scarves, but she also sent me this amazing poster after she either saw my post on Instagram about it or saw the video about me trying to meet Kiss. And so this is an actual vintage poster that she sent me, and I want to be very careful opening it so I don't ruin it or anything. I have to find a place to put this because it's actually kind of massive and I didn't realize that. But here it is. It's so amazing. I love it. I love Kiss. Thank you so much, Cassidy, for everything. The embroidery patch is so cool. I'm going to put it on a denim jacket, I think. I have one, and it's been sitting in my kitchen on like my to-do pile. So yeah, once I get around to that, I will show you guys. I can't wait. I think it's going to be a really cool addition to the jacket once I finally sew it on there. Next, I am going to show you guys a package that I received from House of Harlow 1960. They messaged me and said that they really liked my page and that Nicole Richie actually found my page, which is really, really cool. So yeah, I mean, little old me, who would ever thought? So that's really cool. Thank you guys so much for everything that you sent me. I love it. So the first thing that they sent me was some makeup that they had collaborated with Urban Decay. So it came in a box like this, which is really cool, the black box with the gold. I totally love that, and it's got their logo on it too. The makeup items that they sent me were this Quick Fix mist, which is really nice. It's like a moisturizing mist, I guess, that you put on before your makeup, which I really love. I've been using that every day since they sent it. And then they also sent me the all-nighter spray, which is also a really nice item to have. I've never been able to actually like buy it for myself, so to get it in the mail was something really cool. They also sent me this glitter liner, which is really pretty. One day I wore it and I just put it like all over my lid and then did a smoky cat eye, which I also used the 24/7 Glide On eye pencil that they sent me. And I really love this too. It makes making a smoky cat eye really, really easy, which I'd had trouble with doing before. So it was cool to get these items. A lipstick, which is this really pretty pink color. This is also from Urban Decay, and the color is Tilt. Moving on from the makeup, they also sent me this necklace that I'm wearing, which I will zoom you guys in and show you. So here's the necklace that they sent me. It's just got this little crystal on it, and it's gold. I thought this was really cute, so I love that. Thank you very much. It's going to be probably my necklace that I wear like every single day. I used to wear a little heart Tiffany's necklace that was about the same length as this one, but I feel like it's just time to like change it up a little bit. So I love this. This is going to be like an everyday thing. I also changed the chain that holds Andrew's guitar picks to match the gold on this, so I have 2 gold necklaces now and not just 2 silver ones. So we're transitioning over. The next thing that House of Harlow sent me were these amazing glasses, which came in this box with their logo on it and everything. I love their packaging. And then it comes in this massive case, so you know we're like talking serious business here. And I was super excited to see these because these are like the round glasses that I've searched for my entire life. So that's pretty cool. They just look awesome and can totally take any outfit and make it look really, I don't know, kind of put together. I love them with the gold frames and just like the classic black lenses. I think that looks really awesome. And yeah, these are great. Andrew actually asked to use these, and I totally shot him down and said no. We were on the way to one of his practices, and he was like, actually, I need sunglasses. And I was like, actually, not these ones. So yeah, he is known for breaking some sunglasses, so he's not going to get to touch those ones. Next, they also sent me this awesome jumpsuit, which is totally gorgeous. I wore this to Andrew's last gig at House of Blues last weekend, which was really fun. You came out, thanks for stopping and saying hi. So it was this really cool jumpsuit with this cute belt. You guys probably saw it on some pictures on Instagram, and if you didn't, I will be making a lookbook with this in it as well. I just thought this looked really cool and kind of 70s-ish. It's still got my backstage pass on it from the House of Blues, if you're wondering what that is. I just haven't taken it off yet. But yeah, and it's got some cute like wide legs, so it's really comfortable and really adorable. Alright, and so the last thing that I'm going to show you guys is this pair of earrings that was sent to me by Steve Sasko. He's sent me a couple of pairs of earrings now, and I've loved every single pair. He is a celebrity jewelry designer, and he does a lot of like Twiggy inspired, Edie Sedgwick inspired stuff, which is awesome. And then these are some little Union Jack heart earrings. You can see that? They're super cute. I love them, and they're just like a nice little way to add some color and sparkle to an outfit, I think. Okay, so there's actually one more thing that I want to show you guys, but it's not something that was like sent to me or that I bought. I got the opportunity to see Ann Wilson from Heart a couple weeks ago because my friend Tracy gave me some tickets. I ended up going alone, but it was still okay because it was really awesome. She put on a great show, and it was just like so inspiring. And then afterwards, of course, I went around back to try to get a photo with her. Unfortunately, she did not come out to get a photo, but she did send a staff member to come out and like take something from each person that was standing out there. There were maybe like 10 of us. But anyways, she took some items from everybody, or a item from each person, only one. And she went and was going to sign it, but I didn't have anything with me because I wasn't like that prepared. I just wanted a picture, so I just took my wallet out of my purse and my car keys, and I handed them my purse. And so yeah, she signed the inside of my purse, which I think is so cool. Now this is like my lucky purse. I'm going to take it everywhere with me, so I carry a little bit of Ann Wilson with me, I believe. So thank you so much, Tracy, for those tickets. It was an amazing show. I'm so sad that you didn't get to come, but you were there with me in spirit, so thank you. Yes, it was a great experience. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that this went semi-smoothly. There were a couple interruptions, but this is my first kind of like a thrift video, and it was definitely fun to do. I'll probably do some more in the future, so I'll see you then.